2016 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, 4-wheel drive, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.